started operations on the Northeast store back in 2016. Back then, we didn't have any funding. It was just a clear idea, determination, and the willingness to figure things out. Today, we've built something solid with a very good customer base, a strong team, and we are growing year over year.
We have been running Eurotech Private Limited for 6+ years. And last year we have crossed 18 lakhs plus in revenue. It has been a steady growth, not just in sales, but how we have expanded, reached new markets, and built a stronger customer base. Every year we have grown, and now we are ready to scale up even further.
Our vision has always been to go beyond just local reach. We've built the foundation, now it's about scaling up, expanding into the new market, improving capacity, and also strengthening our brand. We want to create more jobs, adopt better technology, and also build something from Meghalaya that stands out anywhere.
When you've built the basic, the next step is about scaling with the right exposure and backing. It's not just a competition, but it's a platform for businesses like ours to reach to a wider audience and also to connect with people who can help us grow and really unlock the next level.
The Megapreneur Startup Challenge is a statewide search to find the top 5 startups that will represent Meghalaya at the grand pitching segment of the Megapreneur Expo 2025. It's a unique challenge for startups to showcase what they've built, get real visibility, connect with investors, and take their business to the next level.
If you want to participate in this statewide search, here is what you will need. You need to be a resident of Meghalaya. You should be adult Indian citizen. Your business should be registered as a private limited company or about to register. Your business should have a turnover of at least 35 lakhs or have a strong growth potential. You should have a working product or service. You should have a year-on-year growth. You should be focused on job creation. You should have a solid team, innovation in your product or service or model, and your business should be ready to adapt or already using technology. Pure trading businesses or family extensions will not qualify. This is for original founder-led businesses and startups only.
From across Meghalaya, 25 startups will be shortlisted to pitch in the next round, and 5 will get a chance to represent the state at the Megapreneur Expo 2025.
We have built through struggle. Now let's build with support. Let's build Meghalaya.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Prestone tensong uba kemi ru yakatnat PWD roads. Ula pente bula lo me kejingelang ban kemi ibnia ha ka ba kejingshna surok ba per ha kejela bat kejingelang kelekran halor ka greenfield high speed corridor project ka bajrong 6.0 pranot kilometer na maulungkong umyam sha panchagram ha kejaka kapot kejela Assam. Bat kania kalaya chaprang bat lajan pendap ru ya kejingle Sorjamin kejaka ha ke distrik Ribhoi bat West Jandep Hills. Bat ban pen krea ban pen mi ke jing permna ban shim ke jaka khnang ban la ban yat no shkmat ban chnai ke project kaba 6.0 point pranot kilometer kaba ke sarkar pedeng kalamang arpu hajar pras pan rupsau Klur tengka ha ke baidai ba ke surok tura bypass ulong ba kalaya chkmat bat kalapoy ke benta ban itu no ye ki trai jaka ban sio ke bai jaka bat lakmi lenti ba hapo ke snam on sala ban plat no ke bai jaka na ke benta ban chnano ya ke surok tura bypass.
Progress of the Greenfield High-Speed Corridor of 166.80 kilometers starting from Maulangkum, from Umyang up to near Panchgram site up to the border of Assam. And I'm happy to inform all of you that the survey in Ribhoi district, Khasi Hills and West Jandep Hills is more or less completed, and the notification of the of the of the Kala is also now in the stage of notification, and that is starting from the 3A section of this NH Act acquisition. So I'm very sure maybe by end of this year we will be able to complete even the East Jandep Hills, because see what happened was in East Jandep Hills we have lot of challenges because the topography is very deep inside, and people has to walk maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, so it takes a lot of time. And not only that, because of rainy season, that also one of the challenge. But I'm sure NHIGCL along with the district administration, they'll be again on the job from first part of October, and I'm very sure they'll be able to complete this survey, the detailed survey of this alignment will be completed most likely by this end of the year. So this is what I wanted to inform to all of you, and once that is done, we are committed to make sure that the implementation of this project, which is a national project, I should say, 166 kilometers is not a joke, and even the total sanction amount is, I think in the northeastern state, it is one of the highest sanction, about 22 crores, 22,864 crores. So this is what we did the review meeting today. And the second review meeting is about the status of Tura bypass. Again, this one also, we are in the final stage of publication of the 3G. And 3G, as you are aware, that we are reaching to the stage of identifying the landowners for disbursement of the land compensation, as well as the Shillong Dauki route. And as far as Shillong Dauki project, starting from package 1, package 2, package 4, package 5, the progress of work is good. As far as package 1, though lot of inconveniences has been created due to the construction of the 4-lane, as you are all aware, as you are all know. But today we have done the review meeting, the detailed review meeting along with the companies, the construction company, and lot of debate, lot of discussion, and ultimately we have given the direction to the company to complete the work on or before of December 2025. So they have already assured us that they'll be able to complete this 4-lane project within December this year. So number 2, as far as package 2, the work is in progress. Again, I reviewed, and I'm very sure, because now the rainy season is more or less in the last stage, so working season will start very soon, most likely maybe by first part or second part of the of next month. So I'm very sure even the package 2 will be able to complete the targeted date, which they have already kept it up to the end of December 2026. Same way with package 4 and package 5, and I'm sure we'll be able to meet to this targeted date as made by the NHIGCL along with the company, construction company who undertaking this project. Then again, come back to the Western bypass. Yes, few issues were there. 5-6 issues were there. Small stretch of land where the the counter claim of land is still happening. But I have given the direction that the DC, both the DC Nongpo and the DC Shillong, to resolve the issue at the earliest possible. And the progress of work is satisfactory, and I'm very sure even next year, 2026, the Western Bypass is also completed.